Welcome back. We're just modifying the basic shoot 'em up template. So at present I've made myself not so indestructible, so these aliens can run into me, their missiles affect me, and also the boss can kill me. So the next step is to add an additional level. So first of all, I don't need this victory unless I want to keep it, after several levels. But I'm going to add my own custom version at the end anyway. So if I just delete this by using the minus button there, or I could click on it and then hit backspace. So if I undo that, click on it and just press backspace. On here I'm just going to select Command and C and then Command and V, or edit copy, edit paste. I'm going to rename these level 1 and level 2. Cool. For this demonstration I've decided that it's best and it's a lot easier to demonstrate if I take off the code of the aliens destroying me, the alien ships and the missiles and the boss as well. So I've taken all the code off that we previously added, just so that I can get to the boss and show you that it does in fact move on to another level. So if we double click in level 1, cool, so we're inside level 1, which is what it's called now. The only code that we really need to change is inside the boss. So at the moment, if we minimize all of these, it's in the last rule. So at the moment, the destroy, so when we destroy the actor, i.e. when we shoot it, it spawns a big explosion in front of the actor, and then it changed the attributes to game 1, so the game's over. So if we delete this attribute here and go into our behaviours over here, so make sure it's clicked on behaviours, and what we want to do is change it into level 2. So the way of doing that is change scene as we're going into a new scene. Click and drag that over here and go to next scene. Go to scene, next scene. Pretty straightforward. You could select level 2, but there's no need to do that. So once we destroy the boss, we go into scene 2. Now at the moment, if we go back and actually if we go to home, both these levels are exactly the same at the moment, so there's no way of seeing whether we're actually jumping into level 2. So all I'm going to do now is go into level 2, select the background there, backspace, so we can pretend that it's at night time. So if we go back to home and preview, so remember that I said that I'm indestructible as I've taken the previous code off, just for this demonstration. So hopefully when I get to the end, obviously I need to shoot at the boss and kill the boss in order to progress to level 2. There we have it. I'm in level 2, and now obviously, as in your games, I would put the coding back in so that I can be destroyed by these ships. And what I can do in this level and additional levels after this is modify or change the actors completely. So I'm going to pause this. So I can change the actors completely, so I've got different alien ships coming in, a different boss, different colour grass, a different planet, whatever you wish. And also you could modify the game completely by just going into your sprites. Oh, so if I go back to, sorry, not your sprites, your actors, as Gamesalad call them. So if we go into level 1, I could change, I don't know, this ship for something. So all I need to do is go on the internet and type in Pac-Man sprite for an example. Obviously there'd be copyright issues here, so I wouldn't recommend downloading a copyright character or image. So if I save this, and if I just make a folder on my desktop, and save it there, and also I've searched for Pac-Man Ghost Sprite. Again, obviously copyright images, there is issues with copyright here, but I'm just using it for demo purposes. Actually, that probably won't look very good. Come on. So if I select this ghost here, I would need to modify this in Photoshop or the like. So if I save this, ghost, put that. So back in here, if I go to just click and drag it in, probably the easiest. Too many folders on this machine. So if I open the Pac-Man folder here, and then just click and drag Pac-Man in on the ship and the ghost onto the enemy, and then play this game, you'll notice that I'm Pac-Man now. I may need to change the sizes of Pac-Man and also the ghosts, so if I just go back, double click in enemy, go to size and make that, I don't know, 50 by 50, see what that's like. So that's a lot better. And obviously I can change the boss, the background, the grass, the moon. So in effect I could have a survivor here and zombies attacking the only survivor, and change the lasers that I'm shooting to another graphic. So I don't know, could be anything, could be a gun that I'm holding. Right, thanks for watching.